Leave her. I want to see what she does. No, leave her. I want to see how she does it. Look at
What's she doing?
She's about to do it.
What?
Screaming. No. She reaches for her toes and she screams.
That's all she does is all day. She screams, she reaches her toes. What else? Ah!
Isaac, I want to see what she does.
My stomach's too hurt.
Oh my god.
What'd you scream?
What's your problem, man?
I can't even swallow my spit.
Ew. You're such a freak. Hey. Hey.
I have a tiny too.
Mm.
You sure it's too funny?
Oh my god.
Stop it. Stop it.
She's so crazy. I could pee.
Ow.
Stop. Baby. Bella. Mama. Puppy doggy. Hi. What's your problem, man? What's he doing, stupid head?
See, she does it again.
She'll do it. Look at.
That's enough! I can't take it! I can't take it!
Oh my god!
She doesn't like it. She doesn't like it.
Hi!
Hi!
What's your problem?
She just likes it.
No. No more screaming. You're gonna hurt her throat.
I can't take it no more.
I don't know what's the problem. It's crazy! Stupid head.
I'm happy the noise stopped.
Oh no, she's not done. Watch. Here we go. No.
Do you still want her to do it? Huh?
Ignore her. Don't talk. Don't look at her. Don't talk to her. Let's see if she does. Okay, talk to her. I didn't say to yell at her. I said talk to her.
I'm screaming at her.
Don't scream at her. I said talk to her.
Hi! Scream again like
No.
this. Hi!
No, she just wants you to talk to her.
She's
Hurry.
gonna do it again.
No.
It's funny. Oh my god.
Alright, let me see. Maybe there's something wrong with her.